Lakeway fam, welcome back to your girl's channel for another video. In today's video, we're going to be getting into my office remodel. I am so excited to share today's video with you guys and just get into what all has been going on with my office room the past few weeks / kind of month, okay? Because y'all, we have a whole new vibe up in this piece, okay? So I cannot wait to get into that with you guys in today's video. If you are new to your girl's channel, if you new, I'm gonna need you to do one thing for your girl, okay? Smash that button down below. Smash that button down below. Hit it like you mean it and go ahead and join the CurlieCrys fam. I know you want to. So, like I said, y'all, so in case you don't know, I have remodeled my office in my apartment, well, our apartment, my husband and I's apartment. We have remodeled the office, and honestly, it was kind of mostly his work, so let me give him more credit than I just now did. Let me say it again. So, if you guys don't know, we have remodeled the office room / studio room because it's where I get a lot of my recording done. In our apartment. So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video, taking you guys from the before to the after and also the in between. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys the before. So after I was able to see, that room was not cute, okay? It was like doing what needed to be done, but there could have been upgrades, right? Like we could do more. So right now I'm in our garage and I'm going to show you guys what all came out of the room, and also the closet. The closet that was in that corner, y'all, it also is getting remodeled, okay? So in that closet, what's this? Yes, both of these, y'all, were in that closet. A whole box spring and a whole mattress with the pillows. Now this right here, this is the desk that I was using, and you guys can see just how small this desk is. So I most definitely want to get something that is much bigger than this. Probably double this size because I need it. And then this right here is what I had all of my hair products on, because if you don't know, I am a hair influencer, so I have a whole lot of hair products. So the vision for the room that I have is to get a much larger desk, possibly like an L-shaped desk, and then also get these two large cube, like the 8 cube, not entertainment center things, but the 8 cubicle shelf, that's the word, shelf, to stack on top of each other. And the bottom will be where all my products go, which was on that. And then the top will be just the background of my videos. So fam, the desk that I settled on is here, and this is what it looks like. So it is a L-shaped desk, like I was saying, that I wanted, and I really do love the color of it. I love that it has the sand type of color on top with the white legs, because that really is gonna like brighten up the room basically from that black desk. Now the one thing that I also really want to update is, you guys know I had a black chair in here. I want to get a white chair, so that's gonna be the next thing, is talking about the chair Deets. So this is the current chair that I have in the office. It's just this black one that I got from Office Depot, I think. And honestly, y'all, like, this chair is comfortable and everything, but it's not fitting the vibe. So we need something new because this vibe ain't it. And I'm going for a more brighter, lighter feeling in here. I went to the store, and this is the chair that we ended up getting. It is a white one, y'all, and we're gonna unbox it inside. So this is what it looks like on the side of the box. Y'all, it's that white bonded leather. Not that typical stuff. The bonded leather. But it's white and it has like silver accents. And this one is Real Space Modern Comfort Series. So hubby will put it together and then we'll see what it looks like. But a lot of reviews say that it's like really, really comfortable. So I think that it'll be a nice one for the room.
Give me more, give me more. I've been knocking on that door for a minute. I ain't finished. I got wishes to explore. Now my wish is my command. It's myself who I implore. With my brothers, we got memories. We ready to enjoy. Feel it coming now. This isn't for nothing. Finish running, finish discussion. We got so much life, I decided that it's all good. Living in the moment, so that's something that we all should. Do it for the people in my city and in all hoods. Staying up ain't easy, so we gotta learn to fall good and get up, get up, get up out that hole you in. Glory be to God, cause he made you and you born to win. Many people giving up, then we end up mourning it. Remember when it's really dark, it's almost time for morning it. The devil made a friendly face and people end up joining it. It's when they end up lost.
So here is the final result of the chair, y'all. It looks so nice. I really do like it. I really like the leather, and of course because it's white. As you guys can see, I love white stuff. But I really do like it. It's going to be a huge upgrade to the room. And also the cushion is really nice on here, so it is a really comfy chair. Ooh. But so far so good. I'll leave the information on this chair in the description below in case anyone is interested or needs an upgrade, because I feel you. So y'all, this next part I'm gonna show y'all, I am super excited about because it's the shelves for the background that I was telling you guys about. So I knew I always wanted the cubicle look. And at first I was thinking like we can probably get someone to build one that would be tall enough for what we needed, but then we thought about it and we were like, it'll be way smarter to just buy two and stack on top. So that's what we ended up doing. So I'm gonna show you guys that next, because those came in and we put them together and everything. Well, my husband put them together and everything. Boom, y'all, look at the shelves. Okay, so what we ended up doing was ordering these off Amazon, and it's the 8 cubicle shelves, and we stacked one on top of the other one, and you can also buy them individually, but I needed 2 of them. And this way you don't have to hang anything to your walls or anything. It's just literally sitting on the floor. The top part, so that could be the background of my videos, and then the bottom part is going to be all of my hair products. So I've already started, say hi to my head. I've already started putting some of my hair products on here. So right now what we're going to do is get this right here together. So let's go ahead and design and decorate it. Hey y'all, so we are now at the at-home place, at-home store I should say. So we're going in here to find items to put on the back of the, to put inside of the holes in the shelf. So we are at the at-home store. Let me show you guys the store we're at. It's literally called At Home. Like, I love this place.
Alright, y'all. This is store Chris love right here. It's a favorite store. I'm finna go up in here and get some good stuff. Alright, let's see.
So I really do like this. I'm thinking we can put this in one of the shelves or something.
Crystal, she really loves elephants. So I think I'm gonna get her an elephant. I can't even talk right. I think I'm gonna get Crystal this elephant because she really loves elephants. Her mom used to give her elephants and stuff, so I found one. Boy, I'm finna get on. Never mind. Baby. Look.
No, I like elephants. Look at that, y'all. Baby, this is a good pig. Mm-hmm. You know, my favorite animal.
Yep.
Perfect.
That's your elephant.
Got me an elephant, and I got Girl Boss. Mm-hmm. So I think this would be good to put somewhere in one of the shelves.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
All right, y'all. I got something else. Yes, because y'all know the colors, it would go perfect with the white and like the gold and marble. Like, look at this.
That's right.
Real marble from India, baby.
Harry.
This is perfect. All right, y'all, so we ended up getting a few more items. So let's go ahead and head to the house and I'm gonna show you guys what all we got. So with the message board, I ended up creating the sign that says dream it, do it, CurlieCrys. And it does light up like this, but in my videos it's too distracting to have it light up, so I keep it off for my videos. But yeah, it lights up. I also really wanted to go for like the gold accent type of color, like gold and white was mainly my colors with like a hint of pink. So the globe was the perfect globe for what I wanted. And with the vase and the flowers, your girl ended up making a bouquet. Okay, a bouquet, okay? So I added all the flowers that I bought from the store in here, snip snip, and they're fake flowers, so it will always look like this. Can I get an amen? So right now I'm gonna go ahead and fill up these shelves with the products, so this whole side could be complete.
That mama made a boy to win. I know you're tired of the same old thing. I know you're tired of the same old thing. I know you're tired of the same old thing. Trust me, I feel the same. I know you're tired of.
So guys, this is what the back wall looks like, and I am so loving it. It looks so good in my videos, and it's way more organized. Like, this is most definitely the best idea. Now the next thing will be to decorate this table, so let's go ahead and do that next. And y'all, we almost to the finish line. So y'all, here we are. Look at my office slash studio room. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love how it looks. Look at this, y'all. This is how the table area came out. Well, the desk area, I should say. The desk is perfect in this space, and then I added right here something so I can put my combs and my scissors and just some of my office supplies whenever I'm doing my hair. I have my hair clips in here, and then just some miscellaneous things over here. Then I have my planner, my laptop, my candle burning, and the microphone over here. This is the microphone that I could possibly use for my videos, but I've been having some audio issues, so I'm still trying to figure out my sound situation. But this is a microphone that really did sound good in my videos. And y'all, the white chair, talk to me, y'all. Doesn't this white chair just give it a whole new vibe? Like, it just brightens up the entire room. I really wish that we would paint these walls white, but I just don't have the energy, honestly, and I just don't feel like doing that. But over here, Nick mounted a TV on the wall so I could see myself whenever I record. So this is where the recording happens, and I sit in this chair right here. And I have my camera going on right here, my light on top of my camera, which is not on there right now, but this is the recording side of the office right here. And then over here is the background of my videos. Over here, I hung some cute items in here because it's really like cute since it's gonna be here anyway. I just went ahead and put some items on it to make it look more appealing, basically. And then here's the hooded dryer that's still in the same spot, and I'm still gonna keep this because this is what my mom gave me, and I use this hooded dryer, y'all, for my deep conditioning, to dry my rod sets, everything. This old school hooded dryer. And I have the pillows here because sometimes I'm not sitting high enough, so I keep some extra pillows in case I need to put them on a chair or something, you know. So this is what we are dealing with, y'all. Like, this looks so doggone good. Like, I can't believe from where we started to now, this is amazing. So now I want to show you guys this room over here, which is where my fiance took all the stuff. Oh, well, my husband. I'm married now, girl. What are you saying? So this is the room that he is in a lot, and this is honestly a closet that he turned into his little area, y'all, so it works for us. And we just got this desk, and there's something very exciting that's going to be going on this desk, so that's gonna be the next part of this video, so stay tuned for that. And when we get it, it's gonna be inserted right here. Bam. So y'all, here is the new addition, the iMac. Y'all, we went ahead and upgraded to an iMac for editing and for everything because we really did need one. And we also got a white chair in here as well, to go along with the vibe, you know, and it's perfect, y'all. We are loving it. And something else that's really cool about this room is the lights. So let me show y'all. So there's different color lights that are around the table, and also the main light up top changes also. So whenever I edit, it's like a whole vibe. So this room is really came a long way, and it's perfect. So thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. You guys got to see the entire transformation of my studio room. I hope you guys love it just as much as I do. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys are thinking about the whole new look and everything. I want to hear from you guys, and if you are interested in getting anything that I got, I will link it down below in the description box so you guys can have access to it. So thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Oh yeah, and if you ain't subscribed, go ahead and join the fam.